Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing out some new makeup I got from Influenster, and I wanted to test out some stuff to review here on my channel. I'm just gonna get into it. So Influenster sent me a few things to review today. They actually sent me these things like periodically, but like I'd never got a chance to review these. They sent me some things from Lancome. They sent me these things complimentary to review for you guys, or just to review generally anywhere. I got the Lancôme Teint Ultra makeup stick, which is essentially a stick foundation, which I love. I actually really love it. And I got the Teint Ultra Wear Camouflage. This is their concealer. I don't love this. This is okay. It's like, I'm not a fan of the formula. And they also sent me the Monsieur Big mascara in the waterproof version. And the last thing they sent me was this, it's called the Clee Booster XL Mascara Primer. It's just a white mascara primer. And I actually quite enjoy it. I use it all the time. Whenever I'm not doing falsies, I always use this. They also said, this is in another Vox box that I received. I'm actually gonna be testing this out. This is the Unbelieva-brow Longwear. This is the newest thing I got, which is the Beautyblender Ready Set Glow. It comes with a new violet beauty blender. Okay, so in this box I got two beauty blenders, which I'm going to be using today. I mean, I already love the beauty blender. I use the pro one and it's incredible. And lastly, the Redo Refreshing Spray. This is meant to set and refresh your makeup, so we're gonna try that out. So we're gonna try all of these things out. I'm gonna be priming my face with something that's matte, just so I can see how well the dewy maker thing works. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in the mattifying, pore minimizing version. That took away a lot of shine. So I'm gonna be using my Lancôme Teint Ultra makeup stick, aka the Lancôme stick foundation. I never heard a lot of people talking about this when this came out. I actually really like it. This claims foundation that looks and feels like skin. Use it as foundation for touch-ups or as spot concealer on the go. Oil-free all-day wear, matte finish, medium to full coverage. SPF 21 is also transfer-free and smudge-proof for coverage that lasts all day, and this is available in 30 shades. This retails for $43. It's a little bit cheaper than the liquid. The liquid is $47. I think I would be setting myself up for failure if I use the Beauty Blender for this stick foundation. So I have my other favorite brush on deck. Oh my god, guys, I washed all my brushes like 2 days ago and they are so soft and clean. Guys, wash your brushes. Don't be like me and wait like literally months. I'm gonna do half of my face with the brush and half of my face with the Beauty Blender, just in case. It's really better to apply stick foundations with a brush, just being honest with you. An influencer sent me literally my perfect fucking color. It's literally perfect. But like I said, I already know how I feel about this foundation. I absolutely adore it. I've never done a flash test because I didn't even know it had sunscreen in it, so we're gonna definitely do that. Actually, I think the Beauty Blender could do the whole job. I mean, the Beauty Blender did take away some of the coverage, because normally when I wear this, especially the amount of I just put on, it was like, it would cover more, like more of these little dots here. Now you can see the difference of my skin. My skin's shit right now. And then the foundation skin. Really good coverage. It's like medium to full. It's very buildable. I've used this quite a few times and like I layer it on and it just looks so skin-like and so beautiful, guys. This is like a very underrated product to me. I never hear anyone talking about it, but it's so incredible. This is a very blendable stick foundation because normally you don't really want to use a beauty blender while blending out a foundation stick, but it's pretty good. Like it blends out really easily with even with a sponge. I mean, it probably would be faster to blend it with a brush. Guys, it is so skin-like, it's crazy. Like it doesn't even look like I have anything on. Oh, I love this. Why don't people talk about this? All right, so I'm gonna do another layer. I don't have like a super high definition camera, but I guess I can come in a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so the next product that I have here to test out would be Lancôme Idole Ultra Wear Camouflage. This is the concealer. And I've already expressed that I don't really like this all that much. I'm not a fan. So I just take a little tiny bit and I literally like blot it and then put it on my hand because I don't want too much. You see, like, it picks up my foundation and it just like makes it patchy, bro. Use a brush on the other side. I'm just not a fan. It doesn't do much for me. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my normal places. It's very blendable. I'm not using a lot of pressure and it just blends very easily. I could give it that. Because that was barely any pressure. And it just blended easily. Next product I have to review is the L'Oreal Paris Unbelieva-brow Longwear Brow Gel. Looks like this. So shiny. So basically it enhances your brows for up to 48 hours. That means that your brows stay on for up to 48 hours, which is pretty cool. L'Oreal Paris introduces its first Longwear Brow Gel, Unbelieva-brow, that fills and thickens brows that last. Build and sculpt your dream brow from natural to intense. Formulated with Longwear polymers that create a waterproof film to seal in pigments onto brow and spherical silica for a natural looking color. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I have never used it and I'm a little worried because, you know, I don't really, brow experimentation is a little bit, you know, you don't want to be doing that, but I'm not going anywhere today. So I got it in the color Dark Brunette, which is my color in my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. And this is kind of my favorite eyebrow pencil. Like, I have so many backups and stuff. I really like it. It comes with this, it looks like a lip gloss or a concealer tube. It comes with a doe foot applicator. One more thing in the box, it comes with a spoolie / makeup brush or eyebrow brush. So it says go ahead directly with this to sparse areas. I don't really have any sparse areas. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hand. I don't want to oversaturate the brush. So for the other eyebrow, I'm actually gonna go ahead and do it the way they recommend, by sticking some of the product in your eyeballs. Okay, so I have them on. My brows have looked better, for sure. All right, so I did most of my face makeup off camera. We're gonna go ahead into the eyelashes. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about Monsieur Big. Monsieur Big delivers 12 times the volume for bold, falsy-like lashes, no flaking, no smudging, and 24-hour wear. I've actually heard a lot of people talking about this mascara, but I never really buy high-end mascaras, so I wish I had the regular version because I really don't do waterproof mascara, but it's okay. I've used this Klee. I really actually like it. I use it with like my normal stuff, and I actually really enjoy it. Let's do one eye with that one with. So we got the primer on one eye. Now we're gonna go ahead with the Monsieur Big on the other. So this is one coat of mascara. This is the side with the primer. This is the side without. This is just one coat. I don't know about you, but I never do just one coat. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with the second coat and see what happens. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've got my second coat on. I really like this mascara. I see what everyone was talking about. It's like my lashes look really big and beautiful. And I actually really like the primer. The primer looks really nice in my opinion. It's just really beautiful. I absolutely adore it. I'm gonna wear it in the summer when I'm going out to the pool or something. The last thing I tried to try out is the Beautyblender Set and Refresh Spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my bake and put on some lips and be right with you. Okay, so I am done with my face. So let's do a rundown of everything that I tried out today. The foundation Love it. I absolutely adore this foundation. I'm actually gonna do a flash test and I'm gonna insert it here. Concealer, not too big of a fan. I'm actually gonna, it doesn't have any creasing or anything. Nothing overtly bad is wrong with it, I guess. Definitely gonna continue trying it out because I don't know, maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't. I'm like indifferent about it right now. Like, it's okay, it's not terrible, but the Unbelieva-brow, I'm gonna have to continue testing it out. I don't have any problems with it. If anything, the application is my fault because it looks decent. Like, the color is nice, it's ashy enough for me. And mascara and mascara primer, absolutely adore these. Missy it big. I want to get the pink one, which is the non-waterproof, the original formula. I love this. I didn't think I would, but it's really, really good. Beautyblender. Obviously, it's a beauty blender. I like them. I love beauty blenders. They're my favorite makeup sponge. I've tried so many. And then last but not least, let's try the Beautyblender Set and Refresh Spray. This do-it-all formula hydrates, adds luminosity, refreshes makeup, and gives versatility to your existing makeup. Whether you want to revive dull, dry skin midday or give a matte foundation a dewier look, which is what we're doing today. Skin looks just as glowing and gorgeous at 8 p.m. as 8 a.m. The two-phase solution includes a supercharged water containing antioxidants, while the milky oil nourishes and balances the skin with cocooning silk extract and soothing probiotics. Sounds like a lot of good stuff. This retails for $32. And it is 50 milliliters, aka 1.69 ounces. It's kind of a little bit like most of my setting sprays are like, all of my sprays are like 4 ounces, and like this is half of that and like the same, and it's huge. It's like a milky color. Oh wow, that is a fine, fine mist. I couldn't even feel it. So I'm gonna let this dry, do a little cleanup, and then come back and let you guys know how I feel about it. So the setting spray is fully dried, and it definitely made my foundation dewy. No doubt about it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and sponge. I put on way too much, but I think this is really perfect for winter time. If you have a matte foundation that you really like, but it's way too drying, this would really help like make it dewy, make it hydrating, make it luminous. I really like it. I can't say anything about its lasting power and how long it'll stay on the skin, but it looks really nice. It gave me a lived-in look, so I didn't look too matte. I really, really like it. It's really pretty. I like how my makeup turned out today. I'm not mad at it. The downside is that it's pretty small. It only comes with 1.69 ounces and it's huge, as you guys saw earlier. It's like the size of a 4-ounce setting spray, but other than that, it's like really pretty. I love the finish. This is perfect for winter. Like, it really, like if you have drier skin in the winter, like it'll really help. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you Influenster for sending those products to me. This video was not sponsored by Influenster. But anyway, bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. As you guys see, I'm trying to do this every Sunday/Monday. That's my uploading schedule. I think that's all I had to say. Peace out, Girl Scout. Guys, I am really in love with this look.